Hello students. So in this session we are going to see how we can create variables constant in the program and also how to print and scan the values. Okay, so let's just start with it. So simply open your Turbo C compiler, start Turbo C++. Okay, this was my previous program. So make a new project. Okay, so make a new project. Okay, now we'll always start with what? First line is always what? Hash include stdio.h. Then since I'm going to include getch to hold my screen, I'll be using conio.h as well. So hash include conio.h. After that I'll be starting with my main program. Okay, since it is a function, I'll be giving parenthesis. When you create a function, you write function body within the curly brackets. Okay, so after that I want to create one variable in the program. So how to create variable in the program? The syntax is data type. So I'll be creating integer type of variable, name of the variable, consider a, and semicolon. That's it. I'm not giving any value to a right now. So after creating a variable in the program, let's just take value of a from user. Okay, now for simplicity, let's assign the value on our own. So a is equal to 5, consider. Okay, and let's just print this value on the output screen. Okay, now how to print integer values on the output screen or values stored in the variable on the output screen? So there's a syntax. We have to define the format specifier. So what we are printing a, which is integer value, that is why %d. Format specifier for integer is %d, comma, the variable in which your value is stored, so a. Okay, after that simply get ch to hold the screen. Okay, so first save your program, give some name. So I'll save it as my name, priyanka.c. okay, now I'll just compile my program. So you see, no errors, no warning. Simply run the program. So as you all can see, the value 5 is being printed. So I have assigned 5 to a and that I have printed. Okay, now I hope you all have understood that how to print value stored in the variable with the help of printf statement. Okay, now let's take an example that you have to take value of a from user. Okay, so for that, okay, my cursor got stuck. So as I told you, what you have to do, you have to go in the environment, then in the colors, in that pull down menus. Okay, now I'm able to access my cursor. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to take value of a from user. So what I'll do, I'll write here printf. What I'll write enter the value of a. Okay, so this what I have done here, I am printing it as it is on the output screen. So user will say this message on the output screen. Okay, semicolon. Now once user will see this statement on the output screen, what user will do, he or she will enter some value. Now after he or she entered the value, that value needs to be scanned and stored into a variable. For that I'll be using scanf statement. Okay, now what is the syntax of scanf statement? So the value which I'll be scanning is of type integer. Why? Because I have already mentioned the type of variable as integer. So a will be storing integer type of data. Okay, so the format specifier will be %d, and where I'll be storing at ampersand A. So ampersand is used to access the memory point of A. So I'll be storing at memory location of A, and after storing a value at A, I'll be displaying that value. Okay, so let's just compile this program first. Let's just save it. After that, compile your program. So see, zero errors, zero warnings. Once you have compiled, run your program, enter the value of A. Now can you see here, previous output is also printed here. That's because I have not cleared my screen. So I'll just clear my screen. So enter the value first, say A, and value will be printed. What I have to do, I have to include clear screen in my program, CLR SCR. Okay, now if you compile, one error. What is that error? Okay, you have to use CLR SCR after variable declaration. Okay, so I'll declare a variable int A first, and then I'll clear the screen. SCR. Okay, now let's just compile it. See, zero error, zero warnings. Now let's just run the program. So can you see that the previous output is not visible now? So enter the value of A. You can enter any value. For instance, say 5. The value 5 is printed here. Okay, so this is how you can take value from user, scan that value, store that value into a variable, and then print that particular value. Okay, now let's just take one constant in the program. So how to include constant in your program? With the help of two statements, hash define statement and with the help of const keyword. So I'll be taking hash define statement. So hash define, name of the constant, I'll take it as B, and I'll assign the value as 5. Okay, so I have declared a constant. I have declared the constant B as 5 value. Okay, now I want to print the value of constant also. So let's print the value of constant after the variable. So print F. Now since this constant value is also integer, what I'll do, format specifier will be %d, comma, what I'll do, B. Okay, now let's compile the program. Oh, 2 errors. Now what is this error? Function called missing. Okay, so error was in the syntax of defining hash define B5. Okay, you don't have to use semicolon here. Okay, so can you see here, 0 error, 0 warning. Then run, enter the value of A. Now suppose I have entered 2, the value will be printed as 22, and okay, 2 is value of A and 5 is printed on the same line. So what you want 5 on the next line. So what you will do for that? This should be printed on next line. So here you can do \n. Now compile the program. 0 error, 0 warning. Run, enter the value of A as 2 and 2 and 5. Can you see that value of 2 is printed here, and on the next line 5 is printed. Now what I have done, I have included /n here. Okay, so this /n is used for new line statement. So once you print this particular statement, if you want your next statement on the new line, you will insert /n here. So it will make it will create, or it will bring your next statement on the next line. Okay, so that's about it. In this session, what we have learned that how to print value of variables and constants on the output screen with the help of printf statement. Also how to scan the value and store them into the variables. Okay, we have also seen that how to create constants in the program, or how to create variables in the program. Okay, so I want you all to try this program, and if you have any queries, please feel free to ask. Thank you everyone.